man saya buka fu alala kadi mba nyinin kam moy na sanji nane kasarol tuta jela dol sasata jela dol sun katita dol nyal teta dol fata alako mbenyi ngay bo be lalal kam baden tata man siandela bare be fenna bondi lal koto muya lon ko abe bula law family ko mbole man siandela nyine nyantatol be nyaajo fitala o nyaaji fitarin kola e koy benta dunna wo kumbo duto faytal tamuntati.
Hello my wonderful subscribers, this is Active TV again for another update. Please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and please do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Mbadingolo Active TV la natala nang kotake pour kana kudo fana itandala alkana nyina ale subscribe channel to ning atral ma subscribe ale notification bell click pour ni video nata wato wati alsa jeno nyameng alkana nyina ale bla noma Instagram ACCTIVE.tv, me Facebook lefanang ACTIVE space TV. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram ACCTIVE.tv. I am also on Facebook ACTIVE space TV.
Mbe kayro la nyinin kan na banko e and mbe kayro la nyinin kan pour fan fanaye bare na banko first ando saying ngam fanje wala kono woto momon din kalta alala meenda kafu ko momonde mel lota president Adama Barrow a jamfañin kammala ila bute busobe ala bula andata bayla be butel because amake mola ama tinya moy nothing absolutely sondomoya sondomola konnanteya hasdiya mine ya tunay betlin kam wande dingona.
Dusano slams Essa Faal for snooping Barrow to work with opposition. Mbadiolu Dusano miyalonko atoman kong Gambia banko kang yamar lala mati president la yamar lala mati ala political yamar lala mati Dusano atele Essa Faal kajafi ako munatin na Essa Faal ye banfar puru aning Adama Barrow do ko ke aning oppositional kata do ko ke nyin coronavirus ko kono nyin kuma kan nata Dusano nyin kuma kan fo biring Essa Faal be manol tulol jabol anin domor fen kotongol ke janjandi foirol ye ila kordal kono wala mandia Dusano ko Essa Faal anin president la nyanta kanyin do ko ke baraning oppositional manyana kanyin do ko ke. Dusano, an advisor to the president Adama Barrow, has criticized the private initiative of the Truth Commissioners Essa Faal for failing to work with President Barrow in the fight against COVID-19. Mbadingolu Dusano wale Essa Faal kajafi Essa Faal atelem read council ti Truth Reconciliation and Reparation Commission o nyento yamun londi puruka Yaya Jammeh Babil Mansa former President Jammeh puruka la sanji muang anim fulo tinyarol mulbe keta ala nyaton kaya koto puruka kiskis Essa Faal lo moto nyaton koti lead council Essa Faal Dusano yatala kajafi akomuna na Essa Faal ye bamfar nyin COVID-19 kuombe kerinteng praning President Barrow do kuoke baraning oppositional le do kuoke. Dusano says Essa Faal failed to fight against the coronavirus crisis with the president, instead choosing to work with the opposition. In an interview on City Limit, Mr. Sano says when Barrow, the president, called for collective opinion from everyone on the COVID-19, Essa Faal, who is an important person, had the idea of a food bank. But instead of sharing that with the head of state, he chose a very wrong person, Ousainou Darboe, who went on to betray him. Mbadiolu Dusano kumakama mum for City Limit Radio. Akobrim President Barrow findita kaitandi molako. Nsulata banko bella puriele ideal natinang mbe coronavirus ko nyin kelela nyameng. Dusano ko Essa Faal nyin hammo soto afero fanan babul mu yalon ko Essa Faal mo kumari mbala mati Gambia banko kan. Dusano ko ninyin fero be Essa Faal bulu ako Essa Faal nyantale ay kafu president ma yenyin do ko ke Dusano ko bar Essa Faal natale ay mota ay mole tombong mo mu yalon ko amanke moti mo nyandaga mun tombong wala Ousainou Darboe ti bari Dusano ko mbeya jele mun natake ako Ousainou Darboe anata Dusano ko Ousainou Darboe anata Essa Faal jamfale akombe nata jele Ousainou Darboe ay jamfa munke Essa Faal la ako Ousainou Darboe kuma kama mun kumandi kafoko food bank UDP food bank ako Essa Faal la do kuole muwati bar Usain Darboe Essa Faal jamfale Dusano tententa kotake ako I am not blaming the opposition, I am blaming Essa Faal for ignoring the GCCI among other independent bodies he could have worked with and choose the opposition. He did not share with the head of state who made the first call for such ideas to combat COVID-19. Now the opposition are using his idea as a political weapon with the country going through these hard times. How can we have an opposition who are only interested in politics and never have the interest of the country? Essa Faal Dusano ko atamang oppositional amol be blame akaye Essa Faal blame ako katung Essa Faal anyantele ay kafu president ma aning kafol mu yalon ko wolle be banko kang. Instead of doing that, Essa Faal tatale aning political nyatonkol be dokuala mol mu yalon ko imang bankola nafa jube bari kunkilin nafa anila politiko nafa iko dambande jube. Mr. Sano urged the Gambian peoples not to politicize COVID-19, adding that peoples must respect social distancing and cleanliness at all time. We are all hearing about mass burial of thousands dying of the illness in richer countries, so we should be careful, he nodded. Adiamata fanang Dusano ay mol hakilo bulandi Gambianol akwe kana COVID-19 nying ikana ke politiko ti ay kumakang fanang fo ako molia kata nga jamfa nyola social distancing ngang mbalol fanal seneandi kendeke bulukol bebolo kono Dusano nata fo fanang ay Gambianol hakilo bulandi ako mo million jama lebe fakang 1000 jama lebe fakang COVID-19 nyina kola dame yalon ko bankol mu yalon ko ibuloye ko ben Dusano e Gambianol hakilo bulandi nyina pour nga ferolta nga mezol mi yalon ko sem fanal tankandi nole COVID-19 nyina katung banku sembuma bal abol batandi kan sain teng wolman kuno ama woto Gambia mum boko fuara banko ntel nyantale nga kata ngam fantanka kendeke. People who are saying that Barrow's failure to close the border with Senegal much earlier lead to the case of COVID-19 fail to consider that even superpowers are facing grave challenges despite locking their borders and imposing total lockdown. Dusano tententa ako mol mu yalo ko walabe President Barrow kajafikang andi babilem kang komunatina amang Gambia border sarong nin Senegal tema Dusano ko bankol mu yalon ko isembol warata banku sembumal mu yalon ko be dunia kono woliyela border soronne bari hanisain coronavirus ko nyin abe janjandi la bankol kanne Dusano ko wotobe kala kuleti mu yalon ko mo manyana president bilem lala nyilem Dusano la kuma kanalti Dusano slams Essa Faal for snooping Barrow to work with the oppositions. Snooping nalio moy wolam Kenya kasimola kamo igno Dusano Essa Faal lakwo woleba kamfaring bring Essa Faal findita abe manol tulol jabol anin domer fen kotol abe janjandi kam foirol ye ila bon kono ba Dusano diamutal fanang ako Essa Faal wole nying idea natinang bari Usainu Darboe UDP la nyaton ko ako wole nata ka tati ako woto Dusano ako Essa Faal yate fanang jamfa ko nyin konole Dusano ko be nyaaw nyanding akadama oppositional amol blame ate Essa Faal le blame katung Essa Faal nyin kusifa na be kun kono Dusano ko inin president bolam banko nyaton koti Dusano ko ni wala nyanta ka do ko ke ako woto oppositional ate mol blame ate Essa Faal le blame Dusano tententa fanang ako oppositional inyanta katalale anin Gambia dingul be ikana nyin politicalize COVID-19 mi yalon ka banko kan yanin politiko fatandi akoy manke kukilenti Dusano tententa fanang ako president Barrow mota president Barrow blame lano COVID-19 crisis mi yalon ka banko kan ako katung nga banku sembu mal jele wala president symbol ba warari nyameng imang coronavirus crisis ima aragreno ila bankol kang nganyine sotalie bi Dusano slams Essa Faal for snooping Barrow to work with the president Dusano ay Essa Faal ay kajafi amata la kendeke ako munatina esafa ay president baro igno ay nyakas president baro la aning oppositional kata do kuala. This is Active TV. Please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and please do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram ACCTIVE.tv. I am also on Facebook ACTIVE Space TV. Dusano is not happy with the actions of the lead counsel of the Truth, Reconciliation and Reparation Commission, ESAFAL. Active TV review.
President Barrow aman kutinya moye aman kutinya UDP ay mentinya UDP momondi membina sankanna ye ala nya slanya jube ko lumbe sotlay be kitin la lando mota tar la je kaburo ko ni mare si funtino nang President Adama Barrow mentinya UDP dukare enin ala tema anila kaburo anila lumfolo men enin malaikol betlina nyola isinana yoy tande dusano nyatalento